Looking in your manual, Harley wants you to torque the rear fork spacer bolt. So now, this is obviously an all-new chassis, all-new design, so they're going to have new torque specs. They're referring to this nut here, and manual says 154 to 170. It's probably something that's not going to loosen up all the time, but it's really simple to check. Get out your big 1/2-inch torque wrench. Nice click, it's torqued. Kind of nice thing about this design is what Harley's done here for drive belt R&R is they've kind of given you a little window here. Got these 2 bolts with this little spacer in here. What that's allowing you to do is you take those bolts out, that spacer drops out, you take your pivot shaft nut out, you push the pivot shaft back, you're able to slip that belt out of there. Of course, you have to have the inner primary off, but it's going to be a time saver, so it's a pretty slick little idea. You kind of get a good look at the rear shock here, the monoshock. If you're looking in your manual, you've got a hydraulic preload adjustment here. So you'll probably want to experiment with what you want to do as far as preload. If you're riding 2 up, if you're riding solo, if you only weigh 100 pounds, it depends on what kind of load you're going to be putting on a motorcycle and what you're comfortable with. So read your owner's manual, kind of set that up where you like it. But all in all, not a bad design for servicing the belt. So let's get back to the list.